To assemble your choice ice bucket hanger, first make sure the ice bucket is empty. Place the ice bucket on top of a counter and lay it on its side. Unscrew the wing nut to loosen the hanger enough to push the left side of the wire out from the U-shaped slot. Do not completely remove the wing nut or cap nut. Starting at the base of the bucket, pull the hanger over the ice bucket. Work the hanger up the ice bucket so the hanger is positioned under the top rib of the bucket. Then reconnect the hanger together by securing the U-shaped slot to the section left of the wing nut. Tighten the wing nut so the caddy is securely installed on the ice bucket. Before placing ice inside the unit, test the bucket by placing the hanging arm on your ice machine. If the bucket is secure, you can fill with ice and use it for your establishment. Please note, if you plan to use the wall mount bracket to store the ice bucket when not in use, make sure the blue hook is positioned on the opposite side of the hanger extension.